Well, making dishes from scratch is easy if you have the right recipe.
We're going to show you how to make a made-from-scratch Italian classic this morning as we grab a bite with Belkys.
Pizza, who doesn't love it? What if I told you you can make your own pizza crust at home? Yes, you can. And what if I told you it was so easy you'd make it over and over again? Yes, you will. Let's do it. For this one, you're gonna need self-rising flour, plain Greek yogurt, a little cooking spray, a little bit of olive oil, some marinara sauce, and mozzarella cheese. We start with our self-rising flour, very important, all-purpose self-rising flour, okay? And this is some Greek yogurt. I start with a spatula, but eventually you're gonna have to get your hands in there. Just try to combine this as best you can to create pizza dough. When you get to about this point, it's like, okay, everything seems like it's getting doughy. Stop in the bowl, spread a little bit of flour on your counter, grab what's in the bowl, and now we're gonna start to knead some dough here, people. Just try to knead it till it doesn't feel like little pieces, but it feels more like one big piece of pizza dough. It's a good stress reliever. My dough is ready for rolling. Just start rolling it out. Don't judge if it's not a perfect circle. Make sure to put a nice amount of flour on your work surface to keep your dough from sticking. When your dough is all rolled out, grab a pizza pan if you have one. If you don't have one, that's okay. Use a baking tray that you've coated with a little bit of olive oil spray and just get it on there. All we're gonna do is bake this halfway through 500-degree oven for about 10-15 minutes. My crust is halfway baked, and now we're gonna add our toppings. I like to take a little bit of olive oil and just go around the edge for my crust. We get our sauce. You can get pizza sauce, marinara sauce, you know, whatever you got in the fridge. And our cheese. It is a pizza blend. It's got some mozzarella and a couple of other different cheeses in here. And now we're just gonna go back to the oven until that cheese melts and the rest of the crust bakes through, probably another like 10 minutes or so. Ooh, look at that. I just pulled the pizza out of the oven. You can leave it cheese like this or add your favorite toppings. I added some fresh tomatoes to my pizza, and then I've got some fresh basil here that I'm just gonna tear off and add to the top to just give it a little extra something. And that is your super easy do-it-yourself pizza crust. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys Nure. Buon appetito.
Looks good. For more info on this and other recipes, head on over to our website, click on Entertainment, then on Bite, and you can also find Belkys' Bite blog on WSVN.com.